Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to download and install iOS 26 beta on your iPhone. As you can see, Apple has now introduced their latest version iOS 26 to iPhone. So if you want to download and install that developer beta profile on your iOS 26, then how you can download and install it. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings here, and here what you have to do, you have to go to the general, and you have to make sure that you have joined the Apple developer program. For this, you have to simply create your account on Apple developer program, and after that this kind of option will be available as a beta updates on your iPhone, and after that you will be able to download and install iOS 26 developer beta. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari, and here you have to simply search for Apple developer program, and you have to simply create account and register yourself in the Apple developer program, and after that you can simply find an option like beta updates. So here you have to make sure that you have selected the iOS 26 developer beta, and, but if you have selected iOS 18, then all the updates you will get are about the iOS 18, and you will not find the iOS 26 developer beta on your profile. So you have to wait for some time so that you can simply enjoy that. So for this, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have click on the software update, and you have turned on the automatic updates, and you have selected the iOS 26 developer beta, and after that iOS 26 beta profile will be shown to you, and you have to simply click on update now if you want to update to iOS 26 developer beta. And after that, you have to simply wait for some time so that your iPhone starts to download the iOS 26 beta profile, and after that, as it is downloaded, you will be able to download and install that iOS 26 beta on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.